How's it going, my fellow countrymen and ladies and beautiful people? Thank you all for tuning into my show. This is the Empathy is Money show. I'm your favorite host, Namdi. As always, I'm going to talk to you about the need, the dying desire of most people, of everyone, for love, for empathy, for compassion. We need that more than ever. I'm encouraging you all to break out of your boxes and go find out about other people. If you've never hung out with a black person, go do that. If you don't know much anything about white people, go find out about them. We benefit nothing from ignorance about other cultures or other races. It's a shame that social media is putting us in silos and basically just sounding boards or echo chambers, and that's not exactly where we should be moving. That direction is not the way we forward. Anyway, I'm preaching now, but the whole point is be more of an empathetic human beings. All right, diving right into the show. I'm here to announce to you that health data can be tokenized as NFTs and give power back to the patients. How can NFT be of use in healthcare? Tokenization of health data. Listen, NFTs are taking the world by a storm. What are NFTs? They're non-fungible tokens, aka that technology that gives property rights to digital content. Doesn't matter whether it's media, whether it's music, whether it's art. It basically Palmer, like basically it's permanent on the blockchain and it's open source. Anyone can see it, and with the information, with the details concerning ownership and authentication and who has the right to authentication, it's all in NFTs. I mean, there's a lot of speculation right now because yes, of course, that's what happens when a new asset class pops up on the scene. People try to, people go for arbitrage or try to make a quick buck from it. But and then the next immediate use case is art. So that's why you're seeing that space also booming and taking off because people have found a way to tokenize physical art and make it digital, put it on the blockchain, and they can trade it for art and trade it for a profit. But we can look even deeper into the healthcare space. It's in dire need for solving the problem of who benefits from health data. We generate it, but yet all the only people benefiting from it and making a lot of money from it are the companies that are using it, whether it's the insurance company or the hospital industry or everyone else is in the cookie jar and we're not getting a cut of it. We don't get any. So this is where NFTs and blockchain steps in and changes everything. Imagine if your healthcare is tokenized as in your healthcare data, your history and physical, your age, your demographics, your um, predispositions, your health history, your what allergies you have, what you eat, what kind of surgeries you've had in the past, what kind of your blood type, your phenotype, your genotype, all of that data tokenized, available in the blockchain. Now, guess what? That puts the power right back in your hands. Now, these companies have to come to you to negotiate, uh, you know, to to basically license your data, which that's what they really should be doing. But because Web 2.0 over rewarded some of these companies like Facebook and Google and Amazon, they basically have complete access to our data and we don't get a cut of it. Just for well, all we get is like teasers, like free shipping, like free videos on YouTube, free search. Meanwhile, they're making trillions of dollars on the back of our data. Guess what? it, NFT and the blockchain technology changes all of that. And I'm here for that. I'm excited about that. I'm here to bring it to you and share the knowledge, you know. So thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna bring you more next time. In the meantime, feel free to subscribe to the channel, Leave a comment in the comment section. Share your thoughts. Share the video. We'll see you next time. Bye.